Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste in Microsoft Access. This is an essential skill that will help you manage and organize your database information more efficiently. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Once you've got everything ready and your data is displayed on screen, you're all set to begin working with the clipboard functions. The process is actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Click on the Home tab located at the top part of your screen. This is where most of your editing and formatting tools live in Access. From here, look for the clipboard section and you'll see a small expansion button in the corner of that section. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the full clipboard pane, which is a powerful tool that many people overlook when working in Access. What makes this clipboard feature so useful is that it can store multiple items at once. Unlike the basic copy and paste function that only holds one item at a time, this clipboard lets you store several pieces of copied or cut data simultaneously. This is incredibly handy when you're working with large databases and need to move information around without losing track of what you've copied. To copy or cut data, you have a couple of options. You can click on the Copy button directly from the Home tab, or you can right-click on your selected data and choose either Copy or Cut from the context menu that appears. Whichever method you prefer, you'll immediately see the data appear on the left side of your screen in the clipboard pane. This pane stores everything you've copied or cut, making it easy to access whenever you need it. The beauty of this system is that you can grab any of the stored items whenever you're ready to paste them. Simply click on the item you want from the clipboard pane and it will paste into your current location. This eliminates the frustration of having to go back and forth copying the same information multiple times. Everything you've copied stays right there in the pane until you're ready to use it. And that's all there is to it. You now have full control over cutting, copying, and pasting in Microsoft Access using the enhanced clipboard feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.